Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, this is Chef Vicky Ratlani and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. It's a brand new day, but we have the same question. What do we make in our tiffin today? And that's the reason why we bring to you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today we're going to be making a whole wheat noodle and vegetable cake. Now this dish is very simple and it combines all the nutritions of soya, egg white, vegetables and whole wheat noodles. And also it's a very different and a lovely way to present these noodles. So let me show you how to create Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So we have a little bit of olive oil in the pan, some onions, followed by some carrots and a few bell peppers. Now you can add any kind of vegetables you like. So let's add our soya chunks in this, a little bit of salt in our recipe, some chopped ginger. I have some whole wheat noodles, so we're going to add this inside, some mung sprouts, some pepper and some freshly chopped dhania, and to add a real flavor of some yummy tomatoes and to give a really nice flavor and moistness to our dish, let's add some Kissan Tomato Ketchup. Oops. हल्का सा हम इसे toss कर देते हैं and our mixture is ready. I have some egg whites over here which I'm going to actually whisk with a little bit pinch of salt inside. Beautiful. Let's put this on the side. Let's get a pan on together. So next, I'm going to be adding my noodle mixture into this pan. Some cheese right here, and then our egg whites. Give this a little mix. We're going to turn this on to a simmer. So let's get the rest of our tiffin ready. Some walnuts, some watermelon or any fruit which is in season. Now our cake is ready. Put it onto a cutting board just like this. Beautiful. तो हमारा noodle cake is ready. So I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network, and I'm going to be back tomorrow with an amazing recipe so that you will have Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.